And here's how to unpublish a WordPress website. So as you can see, this is my WordPress website. Let's unpublish this site. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard and go to add new plugin page. In this search plugins box, type here maintenance and search for it. And all you have to need, install and activate this maintenance plugin. Once the plugin activated, in this left-hand menu here you see this maintenance option. Click on that. And now page title, I'm typing here my page title. And now headline, here I'm typing this page is unpublished. You can write coming soon or under maintenance, anything you want. And now in this description box, go ahead and write a description for your unpublished page. And here if you want to add a footer text or footer copyright, you can add it here. And now, and also here you will find a bunch of different templates. You can go ahead and select any template for your coming soon or unpublished page. And if you scroll down, then under design settings here you can add your logo, you can add background photo, and go ahead and customize your unpublished or coming soon page from here. Click on save changes, and here make sure to enable this WP maintenance option. Okay, now I'm going to copy my website URL and opening my website from an incognito window. And as you can see, my site successfully unpublished. And to again publish your site, all you have to need, go to the maintenance plugins page, and here you have to disable the plugin and click on save change to save change your settings.